Welcome back, dear viewers, to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and fizz-filled topic to explore. We're diving deep into the world of ginger ale. But hold on tight, because we'll be uncovering some astonishing unknown facts that will leave you bubbling with curiosity. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about ancient origins. Ginger ale's roots stretch far back in time. It is said that ancient Chinese and Indian civilizations used ginger for its medicinal properties over 5,000 years ago. The concept of carbonated ginger drinks began in Ireland in the 18th century. Did you know that ginger ale and ginger beer are not the same? While ginger ale is generally milder and more carbonated, ginger beer packs a spicier punch and is less carbonated. They each have their unique taste and brewing processes. In its early days, ginger ale was considered a remedy for various ailments, including upset stomachs, nausea, and even seasickness during long voyages. It was known as a tonic for its soothing properties. Let's talk about its creation. The ginger ale we are familiar with today owes its popularity to a pharmacist named John McLaughlin. In the late 19th century, he created a non-alcoholic version of ginger beer, which he named Canada Dry Pale Ginger Ale. Canada Dry, a well-known ginger ale brand, was the first to introduce the iconic green bottles for its ginger ale, setting a trend in the beverage industry. These green bottles helped differentiate it from its competitors. Ginger ale played a significant role in the creation of the famous cocktail, Moscow Mule. Legend has it that the drink's inventors used ginger ale to clear out their excess stock of vodka, leading to the birth of this classic cocktail. Not all ginger ales are created equal. Some commercially produced ginger ales use artificial flavoring, while others use real ginger extract. The real deal offers a more authentic and robust ginger taste. Believe it or not, ginger ale has even made its way to space. It has been featured on the menu of astronauts, providing them with a familiar and refreshing taste while they explore the cosmos. Ginger ale is a mixologist dream. Its versatile flavor profile makes it a perfect base for various cocktails, mocktails, and even culinary creations. In 2015, a team of Canadian students set a Guinness World Record for the largest bubble made using ginger ale. It measured a whopping 33.25 cubic feet. And there you have it, incredible and lesser-known facts about ginger ale. From its ancient medicinal origins to its journey into space and mixology, ginger ale has certainly carved its unique place in history. Thank you for joining us on this bubbly adventure. If you found these facts as fascinating as we did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring. Cheers to ginger ale.